Let's make homemade soda bread. Add 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of white granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of baking soda to a medium bowl and mix until well combined. Add 1½ cups of water or buttermilk and 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to a large bowl. Then add about half of the flour mixture and mix. Add some more of the flour mixture and mix until combined. At this point, you can add 1 cup of raisins or dried currants if desired. Add a bit more of the flour until a nice dough forms. Pour the dough onto a table or counter and knead the dough for 3 to 4 minutes. Adding more of the flour mixture as necessary to keep it from sticking. Shape the dough into a ball and then place it onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Press it down a little bit into a fat disc. Score the top of the dough with a knife. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes until a long wooden skewer or long toothpick comes out clean. Slice and serve. I like to spread on softened butter, as well as jelly, jam, or even honey. Serve it however you want. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.